A rake. Though the gaming industry has provided basic tactile feedback via vibrating controllers, there hasn't been any device that allows us to really feel our games. Until now. A rake is a gaming impact vest designed to immerse you in games with haptic feedback. A rake features 16 points of feedback on the front, 16 on the back, and 8 on each side. Apart from 48 vibrators, it uses electric muscle stimulation technology in the form of 4 electrodes that rapidly stimulate your muscles in response to what's happening in the game. You'll also find 6 speakers around the collar, making you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. Just imagine having your back rumble as you drive, or feel the intensity of nearby explosions. How cool would it be to shoot a virtual gun while shouldered and feel your real shoulder rumble from the impact? Games have never been felt so real. MOV Pack. Imagine there was a backpack that could carry everything you need for the day, and you at the same time. The MOV Pack is an electric skateboard built into a full-size backpack. It has a top speed of 15 miles per hour with a range of 9 miles, which is more than enough for most walks to work. According to the developers, the MOV Pack is stable and easy to ride, even for those not good with skateboards. The wide skateboard is reinforced with Kevlar and will handle up to 240 pounds. Just use a little wireless remote controller to speed up or slow down. When riding, the backpack doesn't disappear. It sits on the tail end of the board, holding up to 35 litres of possessions. MOV Pack weighs 17 pounds or 7.7 kilograms when empty, and also packs a handle that extends to let you roll the bag around using the skateboard's wheels. iWatch. Apple have been rumored to be developing a wearable piece of technology, unofficially named the iWatch. The new concept video shows off an Apple-style device with a flexible touchscreen that users can wear on their wrist. The device will project holographic screens in the air, which can be used for day-to-day tasks like talking to friends, checking the calendar, or as an alarm. Rumors point to an Apple smartwatch running a custom build of iOS with a 1.5-inch OLED screen. The device could use Bluetooth Low Energy mode to pair with iOS devices to receive notifications and other alerts. TouchJet. Turn your TV into a huge smart touch display with TouchJet. The TouchJet clips onto the top of TV sets with a screen size of between 20 and 80 inches and uses infrared sensors to detect movements on the surface of the screen. The projector is small, lightweight, and easy to mount, but it isn't all that special by projector standards, having a resolution of only 1920 by 1080. In the pack with the projector, you get 2 styluses, which are the key to turning your projection into a touchscreen. The styluses use 2 AAA batteries each, which should last months as they communicate with the projector via infrared. Since the kit comes with 2 pens, multiplayer gaming becomes an option. Stream movies, play mobile games, create interactive presentations, and Skype, all from the biggest screen you own. Taki One. Taki One is a smartphone self-described as the world's first holographic phone. Taki One uses smart holographics technology to display in 3D and to use the camera to 3D scan. To generate a holographic image, the Taki phone has 4 front-facing cameras, which track the user's eyes to create a 3-dimensional image. In other words, the holographic effect only works on one user. The camera, which doubles as a 3D scanner, has a resolution of 13 megapixels, while the front-facing snapper is a 5-megapixel unit. As for the rest of the specs, the Taki E1 comes with a 5.5-inch 1080p display, 32GB of memory, and a 2500 mAh battery.